Know-how. In 1990, we started to plant the first native varieties of Mencia, Arauxa, Tempranillo, Godelo and Doña Blanca on the mountainside of the castle of Monterrey. 6 years later, we planted 6,000 grafts of the Treixadura and Bastardo variety, using a completely new technology in Galicia. The beginning of the wine harvest is defined by controls on the ripeness of the grapes, which in turn determine the balance between the degree of alcohol and the acidity of the must. The ripeness of the fruit is different, depending on the variety that is being dealt with. The wine harvest is done by hand, and any bunches that are not up to standard are rejected. The bunches are put into boxes that never weigh more than 15 kilos. When they arrive at the winery, they are automatically turned out onto a table for selection, and only the best ones are chosen. Those grapes that do not meet phytosanitary conditions or are not ripe enough are removed, as are any leaves, soil or stones that are found. The next step is to remove the stems and the skin. The skin and the must go through a cold maceration, where the temperature is controlled by the most advanced technology. If it is a white grape, it goes from the macerator to the pneumatic press, where it is given a gentle squeeze, which produces the free-run juice. The next stage is the alcoholic fermentation in stainless steel tanks, with temperatures controlled at 18 degrees, which extracts the best aromas. It is then filtered and clarified, and this gives us the wine that will be bottled. If it's a red grape, once it has been in the macerator, it goes directly to the fermentation tanks, both the skins and the musts together, for a longer maceration, to give better color and aroma, and it is fermented at a temperature of 24 degrees. Red wines receive a second malolactic fermentation. From this moment until the wine is bottled, it goes through processes of decantation, filtering, and clarification. In Gargalo, tradition and new technologies are blended together, and we always promote natural processes for transforming the grape itself. Our wines are the natural fruit of our permanent search for quality, but we never rush. They are honest, clean, natural wines that try to bring out the best virtues of their varieties. Our hope and dream is that the passage of time will endow them with that succulent wisdom that only years can give. Terra do Gargalo is the fruit of a process of strict quality control that begins with the selection of the best grapes and does not end until the bottling process is completed.
Hola!